Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account in Singapore. First, let's prepare. You will need to gather essential documents such as your NRIC or passport for identification. Additionally, have a recent proof of address ready, like a utility bill or bank statement. Don't forget to prepare your financial details and employment information, as these are crucial for the application process. Having everything ready beforehand makes the entire process much smoother and quicker. Once your documents are ready, navigate to the official Interactive Brokers Singapore website. You'll find a clear Open Account button to start the online application. Carefully fill out the form, providing accurate personal and financial details as requested. During this stage, you will also select your preferred account type, whether it's an individual account, a joint account, or another option that suits your investment needs. Take your time to review all entries. After submitting your application, the next step involves funding your new account. You can typically do this via a bank transfer from your local bank. Remember, the minimum initial deposit required is usually 3,000 Singapore dollars. Simultaneously, you will need to complete the identity verification process. This involves securely uploading the necessary documents you prepared earlier, such as your NRIC and proof of address, to confirm your identity. This step is vital for compliance. Once your documents are verified and funds received, your account will typically be approved within a few business days. You'll receive a notification when it's active. Then, you can download the powerful Trader Workstation software or simply use their intuitive web-based platform to begin. Take some time to explore the wide range of trading products available and familiarize yourself with the various investment tools and resources Interactive Brokers offers to help you achieve your financial goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.